Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. The body of the second Bulgin's son has been found, ladies and gentlemen. Unfortunately, he has been pronounced dead. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of David Procopio TV, and if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you, hit that red subscribe button. Yeah, and we're going to have a great relationship. Yes, Bulgin family are getting news that is tragic, ladies and gentlemen. The body that is matching the description of the second brother of the brothers that came from Jamaica that went missing last week, that jumped from the Martha's Vineyard Bridge, that was featured in the Jaws movie, was found, said the state police. The body was discovered by shell fishermen at the edge of the pond on Massachusetts Resort Island at about 11:30 a.m. Agent spoke to Mr. David that wrote in a statement, the body that matched the description of Tavaughn Bulgin, 21-year-old who has been subjected to the weeks-long search, has been found. He had been missing since Sunday night. In a statement read, the body of Tavaris Bulgin, 26, Tavaughn's brother, was recovered on Monday morning. The Bulgin brothers were seasonal workers of the restaurant. The island were much of the 1975 movie, the Jaws movie, was filmed. The two friends jumped from the bridge late Sunday night, and 2 others made it. But commonly, this bridge is called the Jaws Bridge. It is linked to towns of Oak Bluff and Edgewater, also known as the Big Bridge, as it is officially called or named the American Legion Memorial Bridge. This spans a connection into an inlet connected to the Nantucket Sound, which Signaton Park or Pond. Despite the sign prohibiting the thrill seekers from jumping, people frequently come from different places and jump. Your authorities says that there was no foul play in this tragic drowning of these 2 young men from Jamaica. It is a familiar sign, familiar thing. Leave your yard, gone abroad. For what? Licky and likes. Yowie and University of Technology student, pastor singing in the choir. Yeah, but you go up there and you get a taste of the nice Nantucket chicken out of Boston, Massachusetts, and bring in your brother. Listen, people, I know style me and style the people them, but don't you go to Rome and start Rome, man. You are gonna take. Don't go a foreign and run in where them foreign people you do. Take your little time and tip it out till you get to know what's going on. Because you will see a rake and think of how and go use it wrong and see it there, you get screwed. Lot of yard man will go a foreign and dead. I get dip. I run in like them know what's going on and get slip. Get them head split or end up wearing skirt and slip. People, it's a shocking and disappointing situation. So I have to say, my condolences. But I'm not clowning the situation. So I'm pointing out, use other people's mistake and mark it. If you get a chance to go foreign, don't go run in and do what the foreign people they might do too quick. Stand up on the side and watch, because they might know what they're doing and you might not. Them people are going to jump off a bridge in the night in the water. Them don't know which way is up or down. But see there, them lose them life for a few seconds of fun. Leave your comment, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari, soldier here of Deep Roads TV. More life and more joy and more happiness. You be blessed.
And welcome to Deep Roads TV. Pick up Deep Roads TV. Respect, make sure you tune in the year every time.